Hi everyone, this is Paul from Airbitz, and today I'm going to show you the world's first single sign-on for private decentralized apps by Airbitz. We call it Edge Login. So I've got here on my screen a pre-release version of Augur's website with Airbitz integration on it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to kind of sign up, quote-unquote, sign up for an Augur account with and without Airbitz Edge Login. So the basic sign-up process has you enter a password. Paste one I've already got in here, and then you suddenly get this as your username. This is your login ID, and this thing is a monster. It's got a ton of characters in it. Effectively, it's actually your private key but encrypted with a password that you just entered. So if you ever wanted to enter your account on another browser or another computer, you'd have to take this massive login ID and punch that in as the username and then the password that you had created. And the password cannot be recovered. It's very unforgiving. You can't remember your you can't forget your password. You can't ever change your password, and you have to remember this, or basically make sure to save this massive login ID. And that's effectively how you get into your Augur account. But with the Airbitz integration, things get much simpler. So we've got this button here, sign up with Airbitz. I'm going to click on that, and that'll create this Airbitz pop-up window using our HTML JavaScript SDK. And you can sign up using a conventional username, password, and a PIN, which are recoverable, but still zero knowledge, meaning that no one has access to this account other than you. But today I'm going to show you our Edge Login feature, where you can actually create a decentralized, secure, and encrypted account using a barcode scan. So I'm going to go into my Airbitz app, launch it on my phone, hit the scan button at the bottom, and I get the good old QR code scanner that I normally scan QR codes with to send Bitcoin. Instead, I'm going to scan this barcode. It's going to fetch the login request. It's going to tell me that the app name is Augur and that it would like access to a repository linked to my Airbitz account, but not have access to any of my other wallets. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this login. It's going to approve the login, and the process of approving this login is actually creating a repository or a wallet inside of my Airbitz account, linked to my Airbitz account, and then end-to-end encrypted, sending it over to the Augur client-side browser application. So this takes a little bit of time because there's a lot of encryption involved, but after a few seconds, there you go, you're instantly logged in. No need to remember another password, no need to create another username, no need to back up or write down any words or seeds. I'm just logged in. And you can see if I log into or tap into my account information, I've got my Ethereum rep address right here and my account name that I had inside of my Airbitz wallet. And the beauty is I don't always have to use my phone every time I wanted to log in. I'm going to go ahead and log out of this account, clicking this admittedly somewhat small button to log out. And then now when I want to log back in, my account is partially saved and encrypted in the browser. And to unlock it, I can actually just enter the PIN of my Airbitz account. Hit sign in, give it a few seconds, and there you go, I'm signed back in. I can look at my account, and there goes my address again. And so this account has now been automatically encrypted, automatically backed up. It is end-to-end encryption and storage and synchronization, meaning you can actually use this account for multiple browsers. You can log in just using your Airbitz wallet, just as simple as scanning a barcode, and fast relogin using a PIN. And this is what we call Edge Login for secure decentralized apps. Thanks a lot, folks. Hope you enjoyed.